Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another PS4 video. So in this one I will walk you guys through how you can change or upgrade your internal storage to a new one, in case you want to install more games or you just want to replace the storage with a new one. But for those on jailbreak, you will have to download the same recovery version file for your PS4, if you want to continue playing your fake PKG games. By the way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so for those who would like to back up some save files, games, and apps, first you have to insert a USB drive which is formatted as exFAT to your PS4. So if that is done, scroll down to System and press X. Then scroll down again to the Backup and Restore section, and also press X. Okay, so at this point we have three options: Backup PS4, Restore PS4 and Delete Backup Data. We are here to back up some information, so we will choose the first option. So just press on X button. And press X again. Okay, so it will take some few moments to load. Okay, so at this point you can uncheck any of the option you do not like to back up. So for me, I will only uncheck one option, which is the captures option. It will take few seconds to complete, so just be patient. Okay, so whatever firmware you are on, you can find the corresponding recovery firmware here. So the various firmware versions are all here, as well as their corresponding recoveries. So if I go to the second page, my version can be found there as well, which is the 9.00. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will find the section where the recovery firmwares are, and that is exactly what we are here to download. So just scroll through the pages until you find the exact version for your PS4. By the way, I'm currently using a 9.00 PS4 for this video, so that is the one I will download, so please make sure to download the right version for your PS4. So I have my USB here, which is formatted as exFAT. So open it. Now create a folder in capital letters, and name it PS4. Then open the folder and create another folder inside, and name it Update, also in capital letters. Finally drag and drop, or copy and paste the recovery update to the update folder on your USB. So I will replace the HDD of a PS4 FAT as an example. So if you manage to pull the cover, now use your screwdriver to remove this screw, and start the hard drive replacement process. So you have to remove all the screws before you can replace the drive. So at this point, insert your USB to the PS4, and also connect the PS4 controller to the PS4 using a cable. If everything is connected, now press the PS button, which is located at the center of the PS4's controller. Okay, so my PS4 was on firmware 9.00, that is why we downloaded the 9.00 reinstallation update file, so please make sure you do not download anything different from the exact version of your PS4. It will take some few seconds to complete, so if you reach this point you just need to be patient. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on notifications so you do not miss new videos when I upload them. So at this section, make sure the power to USB port is set to always, because you will always need the USB port to charge your controller. Then uncheck Stay connected to the internet, and also uncheck Keep application suspended as well. Okay, we are now back at the interface. As you can see now the installation has completed. So we are back on the 9.00, and that is the exact version we were looking for. So at this point, if you have backed up some file to any USB, then connect it to your PS4 and follow this process. So if you have scrolled down to System, scroll down again to where Backup and Restore option is located and press X. Now choose Restore option and press X, if you have connected the USB drive you used to back up your files. Please, if you find this information useful, then leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Guys, as you can see, we are now back on our previous theme with all our games etc. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so for those who already have the fake PKG games on your PC, you can delete the games and back up only your save files, themes etc., so that it does not take too much time to complete the backup even if you have free space to do that.